this is what I've been waiting to show you. As we walk outside here, we step into this bright, wonderful sunlight, the pool area. Legit. So much space. Looks like a resort hotel pool. You got your hammocks here. You got 2 sets of 2, so 4 total there. In case you just want to come out, lay out, you don't feel like getting your hair wet, that's all right, they got you covered. Little fountain there, but we'll get there. As we step up, plenty of seating. Plenty of shade right there too. Thank you, I'll take it. I mean, just walking out here, I feel like I have so much ground to cover for just a pool. Step down, you have a little sitting fire rocks area here for those who are interested. You got your 2 grills there. You have the shaded seating area for anyone who may be attending a apartment event. Equipped with bars-like seating, television there if you want to watch a game, if you're watching something else. I'm sure they'll put a fire on there. 2 more grilling spots here. Again, just additional seating. All right, we're just covering the surrounding areas first. We're going to get to this pool. We're just going to follow this little walkway path. They have the fountains on there. Cabanas or seating areas if you want to be at the pool. You got 3 on this side, 1 here, as you can clearly see. I'm guessing that is the main entrance there. We kind of came out of the side entrance here coming from the gym. Cool, just a little sit and serene area. No pets allowed. Okay, you got it. Probably don't want that to be a little corner poop area, so I get that. And as you know, we came in from that side, so we just went all the way around. And before we get to the pool, we're already right here. Let's check this out. All right, so a little ping pong right here. Whoa, look at the quad screen. That is legit. Especially you just pop a seat right there. Cool little background, I like that. So if you just want to be by water, you don't want to get in it. Boom. Mission Impossible playing there. All right, now let's actually go walk into this pool area. Look at those. Look at today's sky. So we have 3 little bubbling brooks there. I love the fact they incorporated some greenery, some flowers. I can appreciate that. Add a little nature, a little green, so everything doesn't look so sterile. We walked by those fountains earlier. In water seating, always appreciate it. Because, sometimes you just want to have a seat and your feet get hot, your butt gets hot, or you just want to be really, really lazy and just roll into the water and then roll back. I mean, you can do that. Oh, shoot. I'm rhyming. I'm a poet and didn't know it. I just think this is a really cool pool area. Let's go ahead and give you the main shot here. This could be where you live. And then it looks like you have a little more seating over there, but there's someone over there chilling, so let them chill in peace. Or work, or working remotely. Just leave them alone, huh? And then for those who saw the hammocks, that's where we came in. That's where we're going back to, just in case you got a little turned around. And there's the cover that saved us a minute ago. Got a little bit of a cloud there, so the sun's chilling for a bit. And now we move on. So as we walk out, we have the little seating area. There's a couple people over. We don't want to bother them. We'll grab them there in a sec, or we'll go back and check it out. But as you see the seating, right? All the seating is facing that way. I'm gonna show you why in a minute. But the pool is there. But what's probably even cooler is if you do want to come hang out over here, because you want to catch a little bit of sun, there is no obstruction in your way. You're getting all sun, but then that is your view of downtown Austin. So just imagine if you're just sitting here. Not bad, huh? So when I said that we're right on the edge of downtown, I mean that literally. I mean you're downtown. But the coolest thing while we're up here, one of the coolest things about this location is you're also right next to the park here. So if you have a little furry friend, a little fur baby, they have plenty of space. Now, obviously it's on the other side of these trees, but you have a park right here. And then right on the other side of this building, you have the Sea Home area here in Austin as well, where you can go for more coffee, restaurants, quick bites, just another area for you to have things to do where you can play where you live. Now we're in a little bit of shade. Here's the pool from the other side, but here is where you're living. Now, this gate goes into another part of the pool area, more a little wet area. Well, I guess to say not so wet area, where you have even more seating, TV there if you need to watch or want to watch anything, or if you just want to sit out and hang out with friends, family, people who come and visit, you can do that here as well. This door actually leads to the gym, but we'll go there in just a moment. But I wanted to see if I can show you more of the park through the trees. Barely right through there. But we can't see it clearly here, but that's one of the charms, one of the things that I like about this area, because you have privacy through these trees. These trees allow you to still have some privacy in where you live. And so that, I think, is a plus, because it's surrounded by trees. So even though you may be outside, you still have your privacy. Just gonna walk on the other side of the pool here, just so you can see the whole thing. Now, when we came in a little bit earlier, I didn't show you the seating area there. There were a few people there, so I didn't want to invade their space, but here is what we were referencing before. We have some more seating area here, and then you have your sitting area right here. You have the grills there, a little fireplace sitting area if you're interested in chilling and relaxing. And there's the coffee shop sitting area that we referenced earlier. Now, as we step out here, we see this pool area. And you may say, hey, Marcus, this is pretty cool, but you know, it looks like a pool, man. So what about it? I'm gonna show you in a minute. Just give me a moment, just walk with me. Because you know, I love a good pool. I love a good layout. So we'll get into that in just a second. So open covering, so you do get some sunlight as the sun comes over. As we see, it is starting to come over right there. So if you're worried about does this section get enough sunlight or will the pool get enough sunlight, yes it will, because it's already happening and it's right around probably 10:30, 11 o'clock right now. So wide open space there, you'll get that. Cabanas are reservable, okay, but if they are not reserved, then it is first come, first serve. So you have two together on this side, you have one there, and you also have one there. Again, this is a property that is preparing to be open. They are finishing up, right? As you can see, they're still doing some last minute construction touches, but this pool will be, it's currently being filled right now, but once it's filled over, and once it's once it is completely full, then it will just come over here and go be drained through the hole. So that's what you're seeing there. Little jacuzzi area there. And once it's done, you'll also have 4 fountain shooting streams of water coming out there. We can take a look at that in just a second. But what I really like about this pool, not the main thing I was telling you about at this pool, but an additional thing is I like the seating area. I like that they're cool, comfortable, actual using pillows. I like the fact that they give you some type of green space feel because this is artificial. Okay, not real grass, so you don't have to worry about it being brown. You got some green space, those trees there. And as time goes on, those grow, obviously. For me, I do enjoy those simple things, right? You got seating out in the sun there in case you're just, you know, working on your tan or just want to soak in some vitamin D because, you know, you're still trying to replenish your vitamin D stores from, you know, COVID years. Hey, that's a thing in my book. Seating area, I like it, but here's what I wanted to show you, okay? This section right here, for one, look at that ceiling. Good gracious, like they made it big enough for King Kong. And I love it. Now, as you walk into here, you're going to have kind of like a poolside pool party feel. They have seating. They do have a bar here on the property, bar area on the property. After talking with the leasing team this morning, they will be doing events here. They're partnering with some companies to be able to throw poolside events, but also they'll be doing their own events as well. And this is just the first part. As we go into the second part, of the pool area. More seating, television, kind of like a outdoor bistro by the pool feel here. And then you kind of come to like a sitting bistro area, right? Fountain. Maybe you want to be outside, but you don't want to be at the pool. This space is for you. Small seating area there is just you and a friend. You just want to come outside, maybe curl up with a good book. You have seating here for that as well. Again, you just want to be outside because you're trying to refill your vitamin D stores. You're got seating to do so here. And if you're kind of like, I'm good on vitamin D, Marcus, then you have a somewhat shaded area with the covering here. Here, where you can just kind of want to sit, hang out with friends, talk, chat, play Uno, I don't know, dominoes, whatever you're into. And then you'll have a little fire pit here. This is what I love about this pool. The fact that they have the King Kong entrance right there. And there are multiple tiers in this area. Sit and chill. Chill and be entertained. Make it wet. Because of the pool, because of the waters out there. Like we're talking about like the fun is gonna be wet. Never mind. You know what I meant.